In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make QuickBooks journal entries. If you ever need to move amounts between accounts manually, a journal entry is one of the most direct ways to do it. The key thing to remember is that every journal entry must stay balanced, which means the total debits and total credits need to match exactly. Once you understand that basic idea, the process becomes very straightforward. To begin, go to the top left of QuickBooks and click the plus icon. This opens the main action menu where you can quickly create different types of transactions and accounting records. From there, select Journal Entry to open a new journal entry form. Once the form appears, start with the first line. In the account field, choose the account you want to affect first. Then enter the amount in either the debits column or the credits column, depending on the type of adjustment you need to make. If you already know which side the entry belongs on, enter it there carefully and double-check the amount before moving on. Next, go to the second line and choose the other account involved in the transaction. This should be the account you are moving money to or from. Enter the exact same amount as the first line, but this time place it in the opposite column. So, if the first line was entered as a debit, the second line should be a credit, and if the first line was a credit, the second line should be a debit. This is what keeps the journal entry balanced and allows QuickBooks to accept it properly. After both lines are complete, add a clear description in the memo section. This is an important step because it helps explain why the journal entry was created. A short but specific memo can make future reviews much easier, especially when you or someone else looks back at the books later. Before saving, take a moment to review the accounts, the amounts, and the memo. Making sure everything is accurate now can help prevent corrections later. When you're ready, choose Save and New if you want to create another journal entry right away, or select Save and Close if you're finished. And that's it. That's how to make a journal entry in QuickBooks quickly and correctly while keeping your debits and credits in balance.